Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the cutting edge. So yeah, today we're going to hang a look at the AirPods Air and unbox it. So this is how the box looks, and these are the buds themselves. That's the branding of Realme. Yeah, there you go. Let me keep this aside. And this is the USB Type-C cable which you get with it, and it also supports wireless charging. That's a very good feature to have it around 4K. These are the warranty. Now let's go to the buds. And this is the Type-C port. Let's open it. So you get this indicator to show that it's charged or it's opened up. These are the AirBuds sensors. So it has a wear detection support to these sensors. And these are the microphones, and these are the touch controls too. Here. Now let's keep them back. So yeah, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel if you like it. Yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.